In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off two-step verification in WhatsApp for Android devices. And apart from that, I'm also going to show you how to reset your verification PIN if you forget it. So I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android 15 device, but if you have a different version of Android, not a problem. This is going to work for you as well. So the first thing is get hold of your Android device and then open WhatsApp. Once you do that, you click on your profile icon and get to your profile page. Here, you click on account. Under account, the fourth option, two-step verification. Click on that. And then you get onto this page. You click on turn on. And then you set up a 6-digit PIN. So let's set up a PIN out here. Just confirm the PIN and click on save. Now, what is going to happen is that whenever you are trying to log into your WhatsApp account from a different device, it is going to ask you not just to put that OTP which you receive on your phone number, but you are also going to be asked for this 6-digit verification PIN that you set up right now. Now, say supposing you have forgotten your PIN, how to reset it? So obviously when you're logging into your WhatsApp account, you will not be able to get to the settings or do anything to reset. So what you need to do is right now, when you're setting up this, you need to also update your email address. Okay. So you are going to get an option to update or add an email address. Just add an email address, get it verified. And once your email address is verified, when you are logging in from a different device to your WhatsApp account, if you even forget your two-step verification PIN, you could request a link in your email address to reset your PIN. So that is going to help you reset your two-step verification PIN. And how to turn this off? It's very simple. Just get back to this page and click on turn off. Click on turn off again. That's it. Your two-step verification is turned off. I hope this helps and you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.